Hey, what's up guys, Spencer here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Sony single disc CD player. The model number is CDP-491. So we've got the power button right there, eject button, the remote sensor, play, pause, stop, fast forward, rewind, skip forward, and skip backward, the play mode controls, edit, time, fade. You can jump to a track with those buttons. And then you've got fader, peak search, music scan, repeat, and time. Then you've got a headphone jack right there, and you can adjust the volume with that. So we'll throw a CD in there and show you what the display looks like. And it does also use a remote control. And this is the original one. And then on the back of it, you have a audio output analog. It was manufactured in July of 1991. And it was made in Japan. So that's pretty much all there is for the Sony CD player. If you're looking to order one, you can get it from us at forlow.net. You can order online or over the phone. Thanks for watching.